The Universe cards, number 12, Black Dwarf. Keyword, change. Interpretation. There are many different types of change we encounter in the course of life, but all change is a kind of death. As well as the literal death of the body, there are the symbolic deaths that we all experience as an integral part of life. The Black Dwarf card, number 12, is concerned with this concept of change as a symbolic death process. This does not connote literal death and should not be regarded with undue apprehension. Yet even the symbolic deaths we experience fill us with unease and fear. The appearance of the Black Dwarf card indicates that we may have to accept the death of some part of the object of our inquiry, whether that be the death of a relationship, an ideal, or a treasured goal. Part of this process is letting go, and that often makes us feel afraid and insecure. Although we may know that the change must be made, we may still cling to the part of ourselves which is dying through holding on to the object or person concerned. Letting go can feel like a kind of death. We feel lost, confused, on the edge of a great abyss or void. Yet we must honor our fear and experience the void, for only by clearing away what is dead can we make room for something new to be born. Once we have faced the void, the long dark night of the soul, we emerge stronger and freer, ready to welcome the coming change.